I got my dad on the project today, so let's get it started. The reason why I'm not giving you any dimensions in between here is I wanted you to be able to know that you can even evenly space them out, or if you're going to have heavier items on the top or the bottom, that you can put these closer together or further away. You know, closer together, yeah, have more slats, makes it stronger. On the top here, I think I put 5, and the bottom I put 6. That. That's the reason why I didn't, in the instructions, I didn't put exactly how much you want. You can do it at however much you want to. Make it stronger. Alright, today on Roadhouse, we got a workbench. We're going to build 2 of them today. They're going to be about 8 feet long. And here's what I got. Got a board, MDF board, and it's about 25 and something. 2 of them there for the 2 workbenches. We're going to run the boards at about 8 feet long. Then the middle boards here are 21. The reason why I'm making this 24 inches wide is because I want to save as much space in my shop as possible. Alright, the top section's done. I put if you can see here, little Torx head outdoor screws. 2 of them per. If I need to, I'll go ahead and put another one in. I want to make my bench 42 inches tall, so I've got casters that are 5 inches tall, which end up being 6 1/4. All right, measure the legs to where you feel comfortable where you're going to be working. Whether it's going to be too high, too low, make sure that you've got it, and make sure that you're taking into account the casters. What I'm doing here is I got this 5-inch board here that I already marked where the caster is going to be screwed in. Make sure you don't put any of these screws where you're going to end up putting the bolts or the bolt screws, or however you're going to attach it to the bottom. Okay. We got the 5-inch casters put on. Had to use some old boards. We had to go get some more wood, so I'll update as far as how many boards and everything I have at the end. And we're gonna flip it over. We got one of them done back there. What I used on this was Minwax penetrating stain ebony 2718. And here is one coat. You have a bench down there with plywood on top of it, so I didn't even stain those. Won't be seen. Debating whether or not I go a second coat or not. Okay, so here goes the second coat. I was just wanting to show you the difference in it from, I let it dry overnight. So this is it, 3 coats of the Ebony by Minwax. I want to thank my dad for helping me out this weekend on these workbenches. Made it a lot easier, made it a lot more fun, and thanks a lot, Dad. Granted, if you're only making 1 bench, it's not that bad, but if you're making 2 benches, it's a lot easier to have somebody helping you out. My dad was cutting all these to length. That way, I just put them together. Now, as far as additions to this, you can always add things to it later. Thank you for liking, subscribing, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this little color here. And as always, if you're right or hard, don't put her up wet.